Hello, all you beautiful people. How you doing here today? This is Love It, Tim Tristan. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! Today, we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that came out, and this one is a books bundle called Advanced AI, and it is by Morgan Claypool. Alright, so this is a books bundle. Humble has evaluated at $751, and I actually came up with 44 cents more than that. So I agree with their evaluation. And let's see, they're DRM free, which means you can have them on all your different devices at the same time. So your tablets, your phones, your computers, your desktops, all the different places, wherever you want. And that's where the multi-format comes in. So today these are in PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files. That comes in handy depending on what like app you're using to read it on. So that's why those are important. All right, if you already know what you want, you can click here to get the bundle, or we'll take you down there after we take a look. It'll take you to the checkout process. If for any reason you need to come back, don't forget to hit the reminder bell because it'll send you an email to remind you about the bundle. Comes in very handy. All right, so let's start off. The first tier is just $1, and we start off with 3 books. Now, because these are programming books, you guys typically don't like me to read them so much, so I'm not going to do that. But the nice thing is you can click here, you can see a PDF preview, and you can read a little bit here more on its about. A lot of times the titles are kind of self-explanatory, so I don't feel it needs to go into better explanations. At least for my short thing. All right, so first of all, we have learning and decision making from Rank Data. So this one is normally $47.96. And of course, I did base the price off the ebook prices. And if you want to take a look at those yourself, you can actually click right here on the link here once it turns into the hand. Make sure you go to the second one, the Morgan and Claypool, not the first one. And that'll take you directly to the book, so you can even get more information if you want. All right, so the next one is Introduction to Deep Learning for Engineers using Python and Google Cloud Platform. So this one is normally $31.96. Next, we have Multimodal Face Presentation Attack Detection. So this one is normally $31.96. So that brings our total for the first tier to $111.88. All right, so next we have our second tier, which is $10 today. And if you're unfamiliar, whichever tier you choose to purchase, you get the ones above it. All right, so for $10, we get another 4 books. Same thing applies. You can get a PDF preview. You can check more out and read a little bit more about them. All right, so first of all, we have Introduction to Logic Programming. This book is normally $63.96. These books are expensive. That's why this is such a good deal. But next we have Deep Learning Approaches to Text Productions. So this one is normally $63.96 also. And then we have Natural Language Processing for Social Media, which of course, social media is very important. So this is a book that you're probably going to want to read. It is a 3rd edition, and it is normally $63.96. Then we have an Introduction to the Planning Domain Definitive Language, and that is a tongue twister. It is normally $55.96. All right, so that brings the total so far for tiers 1 and 2 to $359.72. And then we have our last tier today. Tier 3 is $18, and it adds another 8 books. So the first one is Why AI Data Science Projects Fail, How to Avoid Project Pitfalls. This one is normally $27.96. Then we have Deep Learning Systems, Algorithms, Compilers, and Processors for Large-Scale Production. So this one is normally $20. Then we have Efficient Processing of Deep Neural Networks. This one is normally $71.96. Then we have Federated Learning. This one is normally $63.96. Next, we have Conversational AI, dialogue systems, conversational agents, and chatbots. This one is normally $63.96. Then we have Creating Autonomous Vehicle Systems. It is a second edition, and it is normally $59.96. Next up, we have Graph Representation Learning. This is normally $47.96. And last in the bundle is Introduction to Graph Neural Networks. This one is normally $35.96, which brings the grand total to $751.44. Like I said, pretty up there with what Humble evaluated it at. As always, Humble supports a charity, so for this month, it gets better project. All right. Then we're going to scroll down here. Here's where you're going to check out. If you click the green button above, this is where it's going to bring you. So you click on the one that you want. If the one that you want doesn't show, or sometimes the dollar one disappears, or if you want to pay extra, because you can actually choose where your money goes, so you can give more to charity or whatever. And so that makes it kind of nice. Or, you know, one thing that's kind of fun to do is just, you know, make it even all across the board. It depends, you know, however you want to do it, which is also why the custom amount is there, because sometimes people like to add more to give extra to charity or whatever. All right, if the dollar one disappears, just put it in the custom amount. If you purchase anything other than the top tier, these warnings will pop up. It's just warning you that you're not going to get this tier unless you pay that much more, this tier unless you pay that much more. It's fine. Don't worry about it. The add to cart is only if you want the Humble Choice. The Humble Choice is a monthly gaming subscription program. They are running a special currently for about $10. So if you want to, you might want to check that out. But you can also check out here to see more about the choice if that's something you're interested in. Or I also have videos on it. It is never ever required, however, to get a bundle. So just know if you add to cart, that's automatically going to add the choice. So your total will be different. All right, so here's where we're going to check out. If you want to give it as a gift, don't forget to click there and click there to make it anonymous. But here's where you're going to check out: pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And then, of course, follow along with your online processing. That's it. If you have any questions or comments about the bundle, let me know. This is one that I can't really offer any really good insight, because this is not a topic I'm very familiar on. You know, it's programming and stuff. You know it or you don't. All right, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out, including all the gaming videos on this channel. We have lots of them, including some pretty cool content coming out soon. All right, that's it for this time. Thanks so much for being here. I do have my affiliate link down below if you click on that, because I'm a humble partner. I do make a little bit, so thank you very much. That also helps support the channel. All right, that's it for today. Till next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.